If you want to find your SIM card number, follow the simple steps. So SIM card, also known as ICCID, is a unique 90-digit code that can be found on the SIM card itself or in your phone settings. So the first variant to do that is through your phone settings. This variant may vary depending on the model, however, the idea is gonna be pretty much the same. So open up your settings, scroll down to your About Phone section. In your About Phone section, as you see in Samsung, you will immediately find your SIM card number. So here's your phone number, and there it is. For many phones, you'll have to find detailed info in specs, or maybe software information or status information. So sometimes it may be in the status information. Type your standard status information, your SIM card information, and there you'll find everything you will need. If you have troubles with the first method, here is the second one. So open up your settings, open up your connections tab, then find your SIM manager. And in your SIM manager, here in your SIM cards menu, as you see, you can see your phone number as well. And basically, that's it. So tap on it, choose the SIM card, and you'll see all the information. If for some reason your number is still not visible, you can open up a browser, and then you have to search what's my phone number. What's my phone number? Choose this option, find this website, what'smyphonenumber.io, and press Detect Now. So you'll have some advertisements, simply close it. So here is a free call. So you have to make a free call to this test number. So call this number, or simply press on the call icon. You will immediately prompted to choose an application what to call from. I'll choose a standard phone application, press always, for example, and press call. All right. After that, open up this website back again, and here you'll see your phone number. And basically, that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.